video, we will present and demonstrate our final project for the course CSE 499 at BYU-Idaho. And well, this is group 8. We are only 2 people. I'm Natanael Damatta, and with me is Jose.
Hi everyone, my name is Colmenarez.
Okay, perfect. So now we will pass to the review and overview of the project.
For this first part, I want to show you how this works. This project is thinking or is responsive because we try to understand how many ways the users want to use this project using a smartphone or a table in case this project is really working in that situation, or if the user wants to use this project directly on a real computer. The most important thing is how this project is thinking for using a smartphone because it's most possible user wants to access during this software on their smartphones. Like, this project is really works in this situation and try to be responsive in different devices. This is a demonstration of how this works in different devices.
I'm going to show the feature of creating, editing, and searching users. Once a user is logged into the app, they can report a missing person. That will be basically creating a new profile into the app. I'm going to test one here. Jose Perez, Buenos Aires. He was found. Okay, some contact information and notes. You can upload a picture as well. And once you confirm this, you can save the profile. We'll have a toast here with some feedback letting us know that the account was created. And if we go to the directory and we sync the app, because this is thing that to be synced manually, we will find that the profile was created here. And if we click it, we will see the information. To show some code about this feature, we can see the drizzle schema that we have here to create an account. We have also the profile form that we saw before, and also this is the page for submitting. Basically, we see how the information is being pulled from the form, and also we have this feature that is basically a QR code. We are feeding that information into the QR code using this library here and creating the QR.
We implemented secure authentication using Nextcloud. Integrate with Golden Second as you can show in the code. We handle the user persistent with drizzle over N using the drizzle adapter. This allows us to create a profile with specific details. Such, this is working with the user account on session tables needed to use the next house. And then we establish a specific system role based on email criteria. We can see this is the role for users like admins. This is part of the allowed emails in the MB files. This project allowing if you want to clone, you only need to provide a client ID and Google client secret. If you put this in the MB file, you can clone and continue using this implementation.
Also, we implemented different roles in the app, and one of them, and one of the features, is an admin dashboard. So if a user is an admin, they will have access to this dashboard. That is basically 2 tabs where they can manage and track the different profiles and users created into the app. Here they can perform different actions like verify the profile, edit, and view. And also we have different tools here to search, filter, and also import a JSON file to like bulk import profiles into the system.
I want to show you how this works using the data in local directly on the online connection. We scrap in the map using the care centers near for me, but in situation it's not possible to access or about this information. Maybe the internet connection is losing and I want to demonstrate, I want to offline, and then I want to show you how this works if this project is online. How it works if the internet connection is impossible. And then there is a gadget about the centers near to me. This is the data I receive. This is all things I received directly on the last internet connection. We can see this in gadgets because in this demonstration we suppose we don't have good connection, right? But we can see the gadget about the gadget from the indexed database like a store. This is possible using the indexed database because we have the get store data to review and get without blocking the store caches with frame only. This is part of the local information because it's more easy if the information is accessed in local for situation and is held to reduce the friction from the user without connection for internet and the app is using.
The last feature I'm going to present is internalization or localization of the app. Pretty much we wanted the app to be as accessible as possible and opening the language barriers for everyone. And also they can collaborate and add more languages in the future. We launched the app with English and Spanish only. Pretty much the app will dynamically change the language upon request of the user. For example, here is in English. We see that all the texts are in English, but if the user wants to switch to Spanish, everything will be translated instantly into Spanish. This is being recognized automatically by the system, but the user can change it manually as well. We achieved that using I18N. Basically, you create two JSON files with the languages that you want, and then you insert all the text from the app here in JSON keys, and the application, instead of having the hard-coded text in the app, it will be fed upon the text here. It will pull the information from here and show that into the user view. Okay, and this was the presentation for our project Heroes. I hope that you like it, and well, thank you all for watching the video. Thanks, bye.